Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to share my little introduction with you all. So let's get start this video. My name is MD Ridoy Ahmed Rocky. I live in Pabna City. I am studying Bachelor of Social Science BSS Honors Department of Sociology at Government Edward College, Pabna. At the same time, I am a student of Future IT Institute. I am doing digital marketing online course in Future IT Institute. I have completed level 1 and level 2 is ongoing. Before that, I have completed computer basic course from Raisa Computer Training Center and got a government certificate. This is my little introduction and thank you all for watching this video. Bye bye.